Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today we have a startling incident to discuss involving a high-performance supercar, a residential neighborhood, and a narrow escape for a pedestrian. Let's delve into the details of a recent accident in São Paulo, Brazil, where a $445,000 Ferrari 296 GTB lost control and crashed into a house, narrowly missing a retired pedestrian by just a meter. CCTV footage captured the dramatic moment when the yellow Ferrari 296 GTB, driven by an employee of a Ferrari dealership, veered off the road at high speed. The vehicle lost control, skidded, and smashed into the wall of a residential property. The impact was so severe that it completely destroyed the front end of the car, leaving debris scattered across the scene. Remarkably, a retired pedestrian was walking nearby and was missed by merely a meter, avoiding what could have been a tragic outcome. The homeowner recounted the shocking experience, stating that he was inside his house when he heard a loud crash and the house alarms went off. Upon investigating, he discovered the brand new yellow Ferrari had collided with his property's gate. Neighbors and passers-by quickly rushed to the scene to assist the driver, who appeared disoriented but fortunately sustained no serious injuries. The retired pedestrian, reflecting on the close call, mentioned that the driver seemed fine, albeit a little dizzy, and was seated under a tree before being taken away by others. Preliminary reports suggest that the Ferrari was exceeding the local speed limit at the time of the accident. The high speed likely contributed to the driver's loss of control, leading to the catastrophic collision. This incident underscores the importance of adhering to speed regulations, especially when operating high-performance vehicles, to ensure the safety of both drivers and pedestrians. This event is not isolated. It adds to a series of recent supercar accidents worldwide. For instance, in Austria, a supercar crash was branded the world's most expensive pile-up, with an eye-watering combined cost of $6 million. The pricey prang occurred after one of the Ferrari drivers is believed to have panicked on a tight hairpin, leading to a four-car pile-up involving two Ferraris, McLaren Elva, and a Bentley Continental GTC. Embarrassingly, the driver appears to have triggered this financial disaster, leaving all four flashy supercars smashed by the rock face. These incidents serve as stark reminders of the responsibilities that come with driving high-powered vehicles. Regardless of a car's capabilities, obeying local speed limits is crucial to ensure safety for all road users. Proper training is essential for handling supercars, as their performance characteristics differ significantly from standard vehicles. Drivers must remain vigilant, especially in residential areas, to prevent endangering pedestrians and property. While supercars like the Ferrari 296 GTB offer exhilarating performance, they also demand a high level of respect and responsibility from their drivers. This incident in São Paulo highlights the potential consequences of excessive speed and loss of control, not only for the driver, but also for innocent bystanders and property owners. Let this serve as a reminder to all automotive enthusiasts. With great power comes great responsibility. Drive safely, respect speed limits, and always be mindful of your surroundings. Thank you for tuning in. If you found this discussion informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more automotive news and insights. Stay safe out there.